Computational physiology really is solving the problems in the logic of life. And the mathematics is too hard to solve on pencil and paper, so we need to compute the answer. How can we use computation to diagnose disease earlier so we can intervene and treat sooner?
SUURPh stands for the Simula UIO UCSD Research PhD Training Program. It's funded directly by the Norwegian Ministry of Education. It's an ongoing funding platform, which means that we don't have to reapply every year or two for new grants. This allows us to build longer-term collaborations with our partners in the United States. There have been informal collaborations between Simula and UC San Diego for almost 20 years now. But the creation of this program has allowed us to formalize it and to create a community of students who are all going through the same process of this study abroad. UCSD is a world-class institution in terms of medicine, in terms of bioengineering, and in terms of neuroscience.
Simula has very specific expertise in applied mathematics and scientific computing that turns out to be a beautiful complement to the interdisciplinary science we have, particularly in bioengineering and neurosciences in San Diego.
So when you put those two together, you can apply numerical methods and technologies towards specific biological problems.
Our collaboration with San Diego goes back for 15 years. The SUURPh program is really a good investment for the government in the sense that it provides some of the brightest and most eager minds of Norway a wonderful opportunity to learn the best science and develop into the best scientists.
The reason that I applied for the SUURPh program was that there are excellent researchers performing cutting-edge research in computational physiology. So it's just great to be part of a research environment like this.
I think traveling, meeting new people, going to conferences and challenge yourself is really part of being a scientist. And within the SUURPh program we have great chances to present our work and getting feedback from the largest experts in the field. I think that's extremely valuable.
The students in the SUURPh program, they will have typically a supervisor here at Simula, at UIO and at UCSD, and so they will spend some time at each of the institutions working with their respective supervisors in a collaborative program.
Different labs have different strengths, different labs have different way of doing things, and I think the students can really learn a lot from visiting different research environments.
The great thing about SUURPh is that the whole program is set up to do great research.
Eventually, these approaches will find their way into the clinic, and eventually scientific computing and computational physiology will underlie all of medicine.